As a big sister, I feel like Sima will wake up one day in her late 20s, early 30s, and regret all the time she spent in this relationship with Ghost Uhlubi. Allegedly. Let's get into it. Hi guys, my name is Sanda Kati and welcome to my YouTube channel where I give you my opinions and fresh takes on trending entertainment topics worldwide. Today I'm going to be speaking about Ghost Uhlubi and Sima's relationship. Ghost Uhlubi and Sima are infamously known as one of South Africa's most toxic couples, I'd say, because they're always making up and breaking up every other Sunday. And if Usima's not exposing Ghost Uhlubi for his fake antics, or Ghost Uhlubi is talking about Sima's colleagues negatively because they are allegedly getting into his business, even if he makes his relationship content allegedly. So I was watching their latest interview. Basically, the title was a Q&A with my ex-girlfriend quotation marks, and obviously I'm going to comment because it's the latest video from Uko Hlubi, who is a phenomenal, he is the best YouTuber in South Africa. He's not one of the best, he is the best YouTuber in South Africa. And I'm not talking in the podcasting landscape, because obviously MacG is the best one, but I'm talking about like as a solo YouTuber, an individual YouTuber, he is the best. And allegedly, but he is the best, right? So everybody's following his lead, me too. And he's doing so well, not only for his age, but he's doing very well, you know. Sima is his partner, who is also doing quite well in the social media landscape. And I'm just so happy for both of them to be that young and to be touching, because I remember this other time Usima was in an interview with Utos, and Usima was saying Utos paid her 10,000 rand to basically do a challenge of his song on TikTok, and he never collected it. He never gave her the instruction of so if she's making 10k from brands, you know, and Resource is just one, it's like an individual, like a sole proprietor. I'm saying correctly. English, but also Usima is basically just made 10k from Utos A. To imagine other brands that have a bigger budget. So they're doing very well, and also they're also working with MacG on a podcast that is under the podcast and chill MacG franchise, right? So Usima njengoba ngisho ukuthi she happens to be Ghost Hlubi's girlfriend, and well, ex now allegedly, until they get back together again. And I feel like outside looking in, Usima, when she grows up and she finally stops loving this man, or who's obviously playing with her emotions allegedly. I'm not saying Ghost Hlubi doesn't love Usima. I think he does love Usima. I just feel like Ghost Hlubi is just I feel like their objectives is a good relationship, like the goals, they have different goals for the outcome of the relationship. And I feel like Usima is going to be very hurt one day. Goes through he has once mentioned, I remember this other episode where he was going to allegedly buy her a car, and he basically was saying to his aunt, I want to buy Usima a car, and I'm gonna get her a ring later on, like in 5 years time. And I believe that was 2 years ago. So in 3 years, let's see. But within Lisso's card, little time frame when he bought her this alleged car, they have been breaking up, making up, breaking up, making up. And for me, that says to me he's not sure about her, because they go to trips, he goes, like, he has the money to marry her, he has the money with some lobole, but he just chooses not to. And that says to me he's not serious about her, or maybe he is serious about her, but just not where he is willing to commit. And my thing is this: if he's not willing to commit 2 years in, 3 years in, who's to say he's going to be able to commit 7 years in, you know? I feel like when a couple keeps breaking up and making up, there's a reason. And as a woman, because and when you finally realize that, and so you realize that when you're in your early 30s, it's because in your early 20s, everybody wants you. So the more you grow up, the lesser you are. Not that it's not that you're less attractive, it's just that you are less desirable to men, because you are less likely to be easy to manipulate. So they date younger girls, right? Younger impressionable girls, younger girls like you at this time. And when you're older and it finally clicks you with, oh my god, I just wasted my life, you're going to hate yourself, because what does she even get from this relationship? Like, what does she even get? Yes, Ukoshubi is doing well. He has cars, but what is she getting? Like, he makes content out of their relationship, literally. Like, this relationship is like a job for him. What do you get? I think to some level he loves her. I just don't think he's in love with her, because if he was in love with her, he'd be protecting her. He wouldn't be so. It's like like they break up and make up, and he's always like documenting everything. There's a point where he even documented literally breaking up, like dumping her, and she still went back. And for me it's like how can you be with someone who literally finds joy through your pain? Like, he documents your pain, because if someone is dumping you, that's humiliating. And you guys are going on, and all of these videos, they go on his YouTube. And I remember this other time when they were going through a very serious breakup, and Nusima was like, "This is all alleged, guys, but you can look up their videos, right?" So she was like, "Who kind of doesn't give me a share from his money that he makes on YouTube, but we'd spend the money together. He'd take me up, he'd buy me a new phone and stuff of that nature." And for her, I'm sure she feels like, "Oh, he's doing this because he loves me," and it's like, he's doing this because you deserve it. You guys make content. He makes content out of you. He makes money out of you. So it only makes sense for him to spend it with you, because that is your payment. If anything, he makes more than the money he pays for you. Like, when you guys go on these trips, he's making content throughout the trips. To some degree, he enjoys being around you. He enjoys spending time with you. You're palatable to him, in the sense that he can stomach you. He probably does love you, but is he in love with you? Does he, like a man? A man's love he shows through protecting and providing for you. Does he provide for you? Probably. Does he protect you? I think the hell not. Allegedly, because the only thing I see is him literally putting your life in danger, in the sense of, he cheats on you with these other women. You've been open about the fact that he cheats on you. It's been on his page. He talks about other women. He dates other women. He comes back to you. You allow it, and then open the foods. Guys. One day you're gonna look back and you're gonna regret. If the only way Goslubi can prove me wrong is if he marries Sima, so all of that pain will be worth something. So Goslubi, please do the right thing and marry my girl. She deserves it. Okay? What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section, and goodbye.